Use strategic thinking to create the life you want. You know what most people do when life isn't going their way? They wait. They wait for motivation, for luck, for a sign. But here's the truth. Life doesn't change because you wish it to. It changes because you strategize it to. You don't need more motivation. You need a strategy. Today, we're not talking about dreaming. We're talking about designing. Because the life you want isn't built by accident. It's built by strategy. Introduction. Framing the topic. Strategic thinking isn't just for CEOs, military generals, or chess players. It's for you. If your life feels stuck, unpredictable, or exhausting, chances are you're reacting, not strategizing. You wake up, handle problems as they come, chase deadlines, and tell yourself you'll figure it out later. But the most successful and peaceful people puff more. They don't just play the game, they plan the game. They look ahead, make moves with intention, and anticipate outcomes. Strategic thinking is like giving your life a map. You still have to walk the path, but now you know where you're going. Part 1. The core idea. Thinking like a strategist. Let's define it simply. Strategic thinking means acting today with tomorrow in mind. It's about asking, if I do this now, what door will it open or close later? See, most people think in terms of emotions. I feel like doing this. I don't feel like doing that. Strategic thinkers, they think in terms of systems. If I do this now, I'll get that later. If I skip it now, I'll pay for it later. That's how chess players win. It's not about reacting to the current move. It's about predicting the fifth move ahead. Life works the same way. Your career, your relationships, your finances, your habits, they're all part of one giant chessboard. The goal is not to move the pieces faster. The goal is to move them smarter. Part 2, the mindset shift. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine two friends, Sarah and Omar. Sarah says, I want to start a business. Omar says, me too. Sarah starts researching. She looks at markets, builds skills, saves money. Omar starts talking. He tells everyone about his idea, gets excited, then overwhelmed, then distracted. A year later, Sarah's business is small but growing. Omar's still planning. The difference, Sarah thought strategically. She didn't chase excitement, she chased structure. And here's the lesson. Strategic thinking is boring, but it's powerful. It's not about doing what feels good, it's about doing what works. Part 3, practical application. How to think strategically every day. So how do you apply this to your life? Here's the framework. Simple, but sharp. Step 1, define your desired outcome. Ask, what kind of life do I want in 3 years? Not just vague dreams like success or freedom. Be specific. I want to work remotely, earn $5,000 a month, and have time to travel. You can't plan for what you haven't defined. Step 2, reverse engineer it. Start from the end and work backward. What needs to happen first? What skills must you learn? Who must you meet? What habits must you build or destroy? Every major success story, from Elon Musk to your local shop owner, began with backward planning. Step 3, identify leverage points. Leverage means finding actions that create maximum results with minimal effort. Like learning one skill that opens 5 doors, or connecting with one person who can multiply your reach. Strategic thinkers don't just work hard, they work intelligently. Step 4, track feedback. Strategy isn't rigid, it evolves. What's working, what's not. You don't need to get everything right, you just need to keep adjusting faster than the problems arrive. Part 4, the emotional side of strategy. Now, let's talk psychology. Strategic thinking is not just logical, it's emotional discipline. Because to think strategically, you must resist short-term comfort. You must say, I don't feel like it, but I'll do it anyway because my future self deserves it. You must earn to delay gratification, manage ego, and stay curious. That's what separates dreamers from builders. There's a reason successful people often look calm. They're not reacting, they're executing a plan. And here's the irony, once you start living strategically, life actually feels simpler. Decisions get easier, drama fades, because every yes and no now serves a purpose. Part 5, a touch of humor and reality. Let's be honest, you don't need another motivational quote about chasing your dreams. You need to outsmart your habits. Stop fighting your procrastination. Outsmart it. If you can't trust yourself to write for an hour, write for 5 minutes. If you can't trust your willpower, build systems that make good choices automatic. For example, want to exercise? Put your shoes next to your bed. Want to save money? Automate your transfers. Want to focus? Leave your phone in another room. Strategic thinking means designing your environment to win, even when you don't feel like it. Remember, discipline is great, but strategy makes discipline easier. Conclusion. So here's the message. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need a smarter one. Stop drifting. Start designing. Stop reacting. Start anticipating. Strategic thinking won't just help you reach your goals, it'll help you understand them. It'll turn chaos into clarity, draw frustration into focus, and dreams into directions. So next time life feels confusing, don't ask, "What should I do?" Ask, "What does the strategist in me see that the panicked version of me doesn't?" That's how you build the life you want, one deliberate move at a time. If this video helped you rethink how you plan your life, hit subscribe, because in the next one, we'll dive deeper into the tools and mental frameworks to make this strategy a daily habit. Because you don't just deserve a better life, you deserve one you've engineered.